If the only other certainty in life besides death is taxes, then let's accept it and see what new concrete ways we can save as many tax dollars as possible.
So where do we start? Nikki explains.
You can keep more money in your pocket if you can put money in your retirement account before April 18th. That's the deposit deadline for a traditional IRA. Another tip, don't procrastinate. Get all your papers and records together sooner rather than later. Getting organized now will help ease those hectic last-minute filing days and will keep your blood pressure lower. If you're paying all or part of the cost for a caring parent or other relative, you may qualify for some tax breaks that you could have overlooked.
And their cost is normally high because you may have them in a living facility. Those are expensive. If you're paying the majority of their expenses, you can take them as a dependent on your tax return, which is a huge break for you and can also help them because if you get any refunds, those can also go towards those expenses.
Vanessa Borges is a tax manager with the Tax Defense Network here in Jacksonville. She also wants you to know that if you're working remotely, deducting for a home office is tempting, but IRS rules are fairly strict, so check before filing.
You have kids in there, you have your dogs, you have your laundry, you have equipment, you have other stuff in there that is not now used for business. Okay, the IRS understands that and they don't like it. So now they've issued a simplified method, and we normally take safe harbor for our clients here so they don't get into that situation of becoming an audit problem because really their home office isn't as big as what they thought it was.
And if you just can't help but wait until the last minute, this year keep in mind that deadline day isn't until April 18th. Nikki Kimbleton, Channel 4, the local station.
It is possible, but unlikely you'll ever be audited by the IRS. But to keep your chances as low as possible, report all your income, including any side or part-time jobs, and file electronically. It's much easier to make a mistake on paper forms that might catch the eye of the IRS. For more tax advice, look inside the story on the Morning Show page on news4jax.com.